to another vlog. I am LaMonica. If you are new to my channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. And I just wanted to come over here and get ready because I'm actually headed out to go to a bridal shower. Y'all probably like, girl, you had a lot of bridal showers, lots of baby showers, but that's what this season is for a lot of us. So I want to go ahead and get ready with you guys here on camera. But before we dive into the makeup, I know it's been a while since I did makeup, so I figured why not add this into the vlog. I want to talk about this brand, Decay. So you heard me mention them before in another vlog where they have fragrances that are super affordable, and they have inspirations from those luxurious brands that we go out here and spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on, and this is more affordable. They range from $29 to $49, but I have two that I want to talk about today that I've been trying out. And let me talk about the bottle first, since you guys can see this up close. So this is what the bottle looks like. Super cute, very, very sleek and just clean. So this one is Garmar White Flowers, and this one is inspired by Victor and Raw. So you know about Flower Bomb, that's been like a really popular scent. It comes in like a purple or pink bottle, but this smells just like it. I lied to you not. And so let me read the notes. So the notes in here are bergamot, green tea, freesia, berries, white flowers, orchid, rose, musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. But this right here, guys, Garmar White Flowers, it smells just like it. So in case you don't know about Decay, they have a ton of fragrances. So for men, women, and unisex, so you can share it with your spouse, you can share it. It's just really, really cool that you don't have to spend that much money to get the same, basically the same scent. So the next one that I have that I've been wearing a lot, this is called Powdery Hawthorn, and this one is what that says. So this one is inspired by Tom Ford. It's a metallic eau de parfum, and the notes in here are neroli, probably saying that wrong, neroli, orange blossom, hawthorn, heliotrope flower, vanilla, ambrette, and Peru balsam. Girl, this was the card. So they give you a card and you get all this information, the top notes, middle notes, and base or bottom notes, who it's inspired by, the concentration, and then their mission. And again, I always want to share their mission because it's really, really awesome. Our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents, thanking you for giving us a try. So, and if you don't like it, you can always send it back and they'll send you something to replace it and things like that. The customer service is amazing. So if you want to check out Decay, make sure you check the description box down below and use my discount code. It can save you even more on what's already affordable to spend. And if you're in the market for looking for fragrances like I am for my wedding day, then go ahead and check them out. You will not miss out. So I'll have the information in the bottom in the description box below. Thank you so much, Decay, for partnering with me on this part of the video. So we are getting ready and I need to get out of here. So let's go ahead and get into this makeup. So since we've been wearing masks, like my makeup hasn't been like too much like beat, like, you know what I'm saying? Like it's just been, just try to keep it natural, semi-soft glam and all that. So today I'm gonna like dabble into some old foundations because I just have my foundations sitting there and they're not being used. Now the color may be off, so let's hope that it's not. But I'm gonna mix the Born This Way matte foundation, and I'm in the shade Warm Sand, and Born This Way natural foundation, and I have Praline. This is actually my shade before the summertime and getting a tan and all that. So I'm gonna just put a little bit here. I hope it just works out. That's all I need. I don't know what this matte one is gonna do. Let's see. I already moisturized my face and put primer on it. I went in with the Marc Jacobs Youthquake Hydro Moisturizer and the Marc Jacobs Invisible Uncover, or is it Undercover? Undercover Primer. All of the products that I'm using will be listed in the description box below. So I'm just gonna blend this in. I know some of you have said that you like my vlog, but you also miss the makeup videos, so I'm trying to do them both. So as you saw, I already did my brows. I did that with my favorite pencil I always talk about here on my channel, is the Morphe brow pencil, and then I cleaned them up with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. I'm actually going to use this under my eyes. I need to get more of this. This is actually one of my like favorite everyday concealers. I have it in the shade medium dark 120W. Like, I'm scraping this bottle. Look at that. But I'm gonna mix my concealer with another one just so that I'm not using that one too much. So since we're on this Too Faced kick, I'm just gonna go ahead with the concealer in Golden Beige. This is the multi-use sculpting concealer. This one's more of a full coverage. I'm not trying to do too much of a full coverage today. Maybe like a medium coverage, but we'll see. So here is the finished look. Now, let me get dressed and show you guys what it looks like all together. All right, you guys, so I made it a little late, but you know how it goes. But I just wanted to show y'all my little hat that I'm wearing to this tea party. And I'm walking inside, so I'll try to get a full like picture once I get inside. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Really, really cute. I'm excited about this theme. Trying to push my thing over to the side a little bit more, but I'll let you guys know once I get inside. Alright guys, so the shower is now over. It was awesome. It was a cool little intimate shower, wearing blue. Everyone did wear blue, so that was cute. But now I'm gonna be heading to see one of my bridesmaids, actually my maid of honor. I'm gonna go see her and just kick it for a little bit, and that is it for my day. I will check back in with you guys, I don't know, whatever we get into, so stay tuned. What is up, you guys? Happy Sunday. Today I'm looking at some stuff at the Dollar Tree, and I thought I wanted to share this with you guys, but I'll do a haul to show you some more wedding stuff. But I just wanted to show you what this Dollar Tree has on this side of town. It's so organized and so much product is in stock, which is amazing. So let me just show you guys. Let me know if your Dollar Tree is disorganized. Look at how it's neatly stacked on the shelf. If you're into arts and craft and DIY like myself, of course, Dollar Tree will not have the quantity you may want, but listen, for some like small projects,
they got it all.
They have it all. They have it all. This one is really, really organized. Gift boxes. I'm just shocked because if you know, you know, some Dollar Trees is really, really hood and stuff is all over the place and there's not even anything in stock. But let me grab what I'm gonna grab and I will show you guys what I picked up later. Babe wants to say hi. All right, y'all, so we back from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. So I just want to show you guys what we picked up real quick. So starting with the Dollar Tree, a couple of cleaning supplies, some extra strength carpet odor eliminator. This one is really, really good by Arm & Hammer. If you love to use potpourri for your vacuuming, check it out. And then Babe picked up this glass and surface cleaner. It says this is really good to clean the car with. So like for us ladies, y'all know we don't really well, I don't really clean the car out like that, so comment down below if you fall victim to that. But he says that this is a really good cleaner to like clean off your dashboard and it look like your car is brand new. So if you haven't tried that quick and easy surface cleaner, try out this one from the Dollar Tree. And then another cleaning supply is this LA is Totally Awesome as seen on TV all-purpose cleaner. I love this stuff. This stuff will take out the deepest stain, grease for bathroom, for kitchen. I love using it for the kitchen, especially the stove area, countertops and things like that. Very, very good. And this huge bottle for $1, so you can't beat that with a stick. So that is that. And then the last few bits from the Dollar Tree before moving on to the other items, a couple of wash rags. I love these wash rags, and they're only $1. 2 in a pack, variety of colors, and they come with the little what do you call it, like a Brillo pad, so you will, on the other side of the rag, so you can like really deep clean your pots and pans and dishes as you're cleaning. But 2 come in a pack for these. I really love using these for cleaning the dishes. Picked up some envelopes because make sure your post notification bell is on so you can see the actual like haul of all of my wedding stuff, so that I can show you guys what I needed envelopes for. But cards and gifts is typically what you'll need cards or envelopes for, so just picked a few of those up. I also picked up this display easel. It's clear. It's gonna hold up a sign that I actually got in my Miss to Mrs. Bridal box. So one of the boxes came with like this sign that says cards and gifts. So I figured I could use this at my bridal shower and just sit it up on this easel. It did come with 2 like clear, oh here they are. It does come with like 2 little clear stands, but just in case, you know, got this easel from the Dollar Tree. It did come in black and then clear. So if you're looking for like little cute little pieces for table settings, whether it's your wedding, birthday event, any type of event, definitely check out the Dollar Tree and their little like craft section, or just on those ends of the aisles. You guys know what I'm talking about. Also picked up these gold frames, super cute. So can use these to put pictures of my fiance and I for the wedding day, or I can just use them to put little notes or signage, grab a mask, something like that. We do have larger signs, the larger frames with the same gold like detailing. So when I saw the smaller ones, I was super excited. So I just grabbed 3 because you never know how many signs you got to put up at a wedding, just so people can flow through smoothly and just follow instructions and just be safe all at once. And then we also saw this sign right here, so cute, and it was in gold. Usually, since every time we go out, I'm always finding like little bibs and bobs in like silver, and it's nothing against silver, but my fiance and I love gold, and that's one of our accent colors in our wedding. So when I saw this gold love sign, I was like, this would be so cute on a table, and then even using it going forward to use as a decor piece in a home. So that is that for $1. You cannot beat that with a stick. And then lastly from the Dollar Tree, I got some dry erase like name labels so that I can put these on the bin. So traveling with all of this decor and bringing your decor to your reception hall or any event that you have, it's best to put it in some type of bin. Label the bin so you can have your coordinator or whoever is setting things up for you. You can just be more organized, and that's just what it is when it comes to like labeling things. I love labeling things. It keeps everything in order, everything in place. And as I was talking about those envelopes, I just looked over and I realized that this is one of the card boxes that I'll be using for my shower. Super cute, very easy, and just durable for the shower. We do have another one that I'm DIYing and creating to go on our table for the wedding, but this will be used for the bridal shower, hence why I have those envelopes, so people can put the cards right in here in this slot. And then here is the bin that everything is going to go in. I thought this little teal one was super cute, so got this from Walmart. $10, I think it was $10. And then lastly from Marshall's, I'm always picking up something that I probably don't need, but it was so cute, and so I thought, why not? They were only $3.99 at Marshall's. These are the 8 travel cups with travel lid, the lid, and the sleeves. And on the sleeve it says bride or bridesmaid. So this is what it looks like. So cute, with the women on the cups. In the back of their robes say bride, bridesmaids, and then the sleeve says bridesmaid, and then the bride one is in there. Really cute touch. I thought it was really girly, and I'm like, $3.99, can't beat it with a stick. So that is everything we got from Walmart, Dollar Tree as we were out. I showed you a little clip of the Dollar Tree, so let me know down below if your Dollar Tree is as organized as the one I just showed you. If you can shop in there easily, if they have a lot of stuff in stock. This one definitely has some cute pieces, and I was so excited to check it out. But I am going to close the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads, especially when it comes to the wedding series that I'm putting here on my channel with creating DIY projects for our wedding and just wedding hauls and things like that behind the scenes. So I don't want you guys to miss it out. So make sure you have your post notification bell on. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.